Hi everyone. So today we will see that in HyperMesh we have a HyperMesh and some elements are missing, or sometimes some elements are penetrating amongst each other, means they are not connected. So how to solve it in HyperMesh legacy version? I am using 2019 version, that is the legacy version. So first thing we can first tool we can use to solve this issue is using F6. So we can create this elements and we can create this elements using F6 options. So I can create quad element or tri element and fix this edges, fix this missing elements. Or second, using this I can fix this, as you can see this. Okay. Uh, but if there are many, if there is a patch of elements are missing or deleted, then we can use the ruled option here. Uh, from the ruled option also we can quickly fix this with very less effort. So I am just choosing two node lists and simply it got created. Okay, so the ruled is the second option. Or I can basically, so I press Ctrl Z to undo this. So I can use another option, which is one more option is there is whole oblique gap fill. So this option is also useful in many cases. Sometimes if the component is like too much, like if I don't want to use the ruled option or it is not giving me the appropriate results, I can use this option, uh, which is basically fixing in one node list. I am fixing this. Okay, so I'm clicking fix and it got fixed. Okay, so we have used the three options basically: F6 ruled option and a whole oblique gap fill option. Okay, but sometimes these options like will not work. Basically I will tell you if this is the case, suppose, and there is one more way to fix this. There are two ways, two more unique ways to fix this. Suppose this is the missing element. Okay, so I don't want to use ruled or whole oblique gap filled option or F6 option. So how I can fill this gap? So I can go to geometry and I can extract the surfaces from this. This is not having any surfaces currently, so I can extract this surfaces. So as you can see, the surface has been created. Now I can simply toggle this surface. So I can simply fill this. Okay. So I can simply fill this surfaces. So this surface has been filled. So this is one of the ways uh, to basically fix the missing elements. Okay. Another example we can see that. So if I don't, this is a basically two-step process. Firstly, I'm creating a mesh, the surface from the mesh, and then I'm fixing the those missing surface, and then mesh is automatically being created. But if I don't want to do this, then how can I do? So I don't want to use ruled option. I don't want to use the whole oblique gap fill option. I don't want to use the surface option. Then, so there is one more option here we can use. Go to 2D MidMesh and then go to edit phase, and then there is something called as repair elements. So just select some elements here. I will select and press repair. It will quickly fix it. So, but you might be thinking that we have ruled option, so why to use this? So I will show you why to use this. So if this is the case, as you can see that if I try to extract the free edges of this, so you can see this. Uh, 1 second. So you can see this is a free edges, and the some elements are shifted here and some elements are shifted here. So one way is simply, if you want to stitch this, one way is simply delete these elements and uh, use ruled option or whole oblique gap filled option and fill this. Okay, but suppose uh, but sorry, let me fill this by rule. Yeah, I filled this. But suppose you don't want to use ruled option, or so how to fix this? So firstly we will try to fix this by using surface. Yeah, so suppose now I want to use the surface options again to fill this gap and to like rebuild these elements because these elements are not proper. So again extract the surfaces. Now I will press F11, quick and geometry edit options, and simply fix this. So firstly I will increase the tolerance value, and then I will basically do this. So it will toggle it, and now I can basically gap fill this. So I can basically gap fill this, and now sorry. So now I can basically use mask option, and there are some few elements are left out. Okay, so I can delete this, and then I can unmask this and show you it is proper. So it is fully proper. Okay, and okay, so this is one of the ways, surface editing options. But even if I don't want to use surface edit options, then the our MidMesh options will help us. So MidMesh tool, you go to MidMesh and then repair face, and then in one click I will show you how to fix it. One click, then just go to repair. It is getting fixed. Thank you everyone.